All right. We are back. Let me show them like that, and we're in. How we doing, everyone? Back. Happy evening now, Saturday evening.
Yeah, today is it's like Saturday, I think, right?
Let me crunching myself
afternoon.
there. I don't know what happened. Huh?
It's like evening, afternoon, something like that.
Evening. Yes. Chop. I'm chopping myself out. I don't know. All right. So today's is robot day, but we did that 3 part of the show, and finally we figured out what happened, why the robot we cannot make it work. So we want to finalize everything, right? I didn't want it hanging, and this is what happened. It works or not work. All right. So let's begin the show. All right. So how we doing, everyone? My name is Daria from MediaBoxENT, and behind the camera,
Menina Murro, I was ready to answer your questions. Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live.
yeah. So today, Saturday, the show begins at 9 in the morning. All right. Every Saturday is all about STEM: science, technology, engineering, and math. Okay. Every Saturday. And we'll begin at 9 in the morning, and then it's a few part of the show that as we build robots. Okay. And what we did almost a whole morning, and then I said, okay. Then we said maybe we need to come back to finalize because we hit the wall on the, and actually also sometimes I'm thinking, well, maybe with something wrong with the robot, but it's always at my side. I figured that out. It's always something I do my side. And I figured out was a problem with it actually one of the ports on my computer. I don't know why. I reinstalled the drivers and with that. All right, so we build always some type of robots. We build spiders, ants, tanks, and all STEM projects. Right? So science, technology, engineering, and math. They're a toy. Yes, but sometimes I like to call the project
actually.
Yeah. But that's toy in a sense because you're going to be playing with this. But sometimes when you say toy, actually what happens, you minimize things around a little bit. Well, so it's a STEM project. Great. I think this is the best to learn how to put things together, learn how to read the schematic and instructions. So great for children. And you can start this, I guess, as young as you can. I know sometimes it says 10 or 12 years old beginning, but I think why not? It can be younger than that as long as it has an adult. And as younger you start, it's better.
And there are many different actually types of STEM projects. And yes, I was surprised in one of the projects it said 12. I was like, why 12?
It can start younger than that. I don't know, much younger than that. Okay. And so today, the project for today is building an ant. And I'm going to change the screen and I'm going to show you. So that's what we got up to now. While we build it, but we need to do some repair on here. For those who so they show this morning. All right. And the problem was actually some of my ports. That was the problem of the robot. I have to. By the way, this robot is available right now on our carousel. Yes, carousel. Yeah, we are live right now on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as well. Let me actually tweet this thing out. All right, so let's tweet. Oh, wow! I have to log in here. Oh, I see. I got to do it from another account. Let me tweet this. This what we see right now. All right, I'm gonna tweet this out right now. It's a few parts, and I want to make sure so if you want to build it, make sure we get all good and clarified exactly what it needs to be done. And I'm gonna go over in a second. Okay, and let's tweet this. Tweet it. That's it. Good.
Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live. Follow MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live.
All right. So what we did put all this together. We're going to have to take apart a few things and explain the why. So we did put the ant, as you see, we put the server. We built this morning. We finished almost like at 1 o'clock in the afternoon or something that way since 9 o'clock. Because we do the programming and explain how the whole thing works. So we have all this thing done. My problem is that you need to use an Arduino to program this. The Arduino is part of the board. Well, what happened is, I think it was maybe my driver. So I thought I was uploading the information, but I'm not. So one of the first things we need to do is, in the part of the instructions that we did that in the beginning, was actually reset the servos to another degree. You need to do that before you put the legs. So now what happened at this point, the legs are not the right position. You see this leg the way it looks like. So when I have to actually reprogram this, so I'm going to turn it on. It should be on now. Let me see. Let me reset. Yeah, I think it on. Let me see if this is that's not on. Okay. Now doesn't want to come on. That should lock those things out. Maybe because it's in a different program. So let's actually reprogram this and I'll show you how this is being done. All right, we're going to be changing screens a little bit here. All right. And let's go for the program. So let me change the screens. We are here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to send the program to reset the servo. So we have to take stuff apart. So we load Arduino. Okay, and we got the Arduino there. Let me put this a little bit there. Okay. So we got the Arduino, and let's upload this, and we should not get any errors this time. Let's see what happened. Let's check. Arduino Uno. Yes. And port 4 again. Why is port 4 again? It's supposed to be 9. Oh, yeah. That's the wrong port. Okay, see? I think that's the one that is not working. Okay. Let's do this one. Yeah, make sure we do this right. Let's see. All right, so let's see what happened. Oh, again, port 4. Okay, let's see. Let's upload. Nope. I knew it. Port 9. Okay, now it shows up. All right, let's go and upload here. All right, I see Rosa and YouTube. And yes, it's working now. Let me see. Yeah, it's working. Oh. What happened now? What happened now? Why you do this to me now? Which is working. Which is working today. That's why I'm back. Oh, man. Why you did this to me? And it was working fine. All right. So what I changed since today? Okay, Arduino Uno was working there. 1, 9. Let's go back again. No, let me take this. I don't think it's this because this is the cannot be that actually. I don't think it's that. Can be. Maybe was that a problem? Oof. All right, so this was causing the problem. I gotta check that one out. All right. So I think we have it 90 degree. Now we have a 90 degree. So let me turn it off. But actually I can leave it on. We see, I think this one is pretty good. Let's go back and I'm gonna leave it powered up. We have a 90 degree. So this one, I said this one is good. This one is not good. This one, yes, we need to fix this up. So we're gonna take this out. All right. We're gonna leave it on so that way it sends the signal to stay on, and let's put that straight up. Okay, now let's take the screw. And we need to force it now to go into the. Okay, there. Think it. Maybe we force a little bit. And we can make it go. All right, so because it has a groove, right? So let me see if it will go. No, we gotta push it more down. Because I don't know if this one allows you to, some allow you to calibrate this thing. Okay, not perfect. Oh, baby. Now go on. All right, so that was too much. That's too, that can be there. So we need to force it here. All right, so let's go. Go on. A little bit. Not perfect straight. Yeah, it's hard to make it straight, these things, you know? Okay, now we got it. Still on, so it's forcing now. Those allow me to move the legs a little bit. So I think it's pretty much straight. But this one is not. Let's see. So this one is not. So we see, I think this one's straight. This is not. This one is forcing this thing to stay on the bedway. So to fix this problem, that's why sometimes I don't like to put all the in the cover, because if we have to change something like this time, right? I leave that into the end. I want to make sure everything is well, and I made a mistake.
Welcome to MEDIABOXENT. Isaac says, "Can I use this to make my car into a Tesla?"
Oh yeah,
you can try.
You can do that. You can do that too. Okay. Yeah. In reality, if I did that from the beginning, the calibration, right? So this one, yeah, this one is wrong. You see, guys? So this one, we need to remove this up. It needs to be straight. I don't think this one has a calibration mode. Means I can calibrate things a little bit. So let's make it, looks like a mustache, this thing, yeah? Something that way. So let's make it as straight as possible. Did we say that's a straight?
It seems like it. Why not? It seems like it.
Not really. You see? Well, you see it there, but what the problem is, this thing has grooves, right? So the grooves can only be in one, so it goes there, but we will not go on the next line. Let me see. The next one, it will be too much to the other way. So let's see. Yep. Oh, okay. Let's see what happened there. Okay, let's see what happened there. All right. So in reality, if we go like this, okay, yes, yeah, now it's fine. Great. Now it's perfect. So let's put this back. I gotta check. I thought it was my port. It looks like that control, man. That control, I gotta look into it and see what I did wrong. Maybe I have to program before I plug that thing on, and I think that may be what the instructions show you. You program first, and then you put the USB port. Because I was reading Arduino, and this is one of the things I said: remove all the inputs and outputs. So that's an input and output there. Okay. All right. Oh, gonna be a tough one. This is gonna be a tough one because now it's already all put together, you know. So it requires patience right now. So any patience? Take the chill pill. Okay. So we need a chill pill, right? Stay there. I think I can unplug this. It's driving me crazy right now. Think that should be fine on the calibration mode. Okay. Let's take a time here and see if we can man. Come on, Dario. Breathe, no worry. Give me some chill pill. Okay, I got it. Oh, I got this one. Oof. Okay. All right. Now we got it. We're not supposed to do this if I figured out what was the problem from the beginning. But it's happened on this thing. And that's why. That's what I say. That's perfect for troubleshooting. Learn how to deal with the mega frustration you get when things are not working the way you're supposed to. But I have to tell you that most of the time is not following instructions right. And that's what I figured out sometimes. And I think, and if we look at the instruction, they show you to plug in that after. And I think I said, but why? I can just plug everything in the program after. And I think that was my mistake. Yep. So, okay. So that's the front of the guy. And let's turn it off. Perfect. Let's plug this again. And what we're going to do, we're going to run a little bit simulation programs here. Okay. So when you log in, when there are a few programs we can execute to see if everything works fine. So one of the things we're going to execute is the little programs. So make sure it all works fine. So we're going to run the programs here. So the servo we did. Okay. We can test the servo. Let's try this one. Test. I'm going to upload this one out and it should be fine. I hope so. It's compiled. It's a C language. And it's done. So let's see what happens when we turn it on. Maybe moves the legs or something. So let me see. I just did a run a test here. So let's power up. And what will that do? Nothing. This is test. But I guess let's reset. Maybe I had to do it when uploading. Hold on. On. All right. Let's upload the program. Oh, okay. That's the test. Just moves the legs up and down. That's one test. We can try the power buzzer. It did that emotion. So I'm gonna load emotion. So I'm gonna load the program to the face. We're gonna upload that program by itself. So it's compiled right now. And then it should something happen
Old dog,
here.
what's up? Back at it, Old dog says. Welcome. Old dog.
Hey, old dog, okay?
This is crying.
Yeah, well, I just did a test. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So we can run different programs, or it comes all apart, and then we upload everything. So if I change the screen, we see all these little programs we got here. All right. So see, we had the test the remote control, the ultrasonic. We now have an ultrasonic loop buzzer, right? And I think this is the RGB. So let's go for the RGB. I think that's the RGB controller. Oh, it's not connected. So this should be the RGB controller. So how did I say was this? So make sure we are right. So I said the brown is ground. A ground is on this side. So brown with the ground wire here. Make sure we have the green light here. And
From face.
let's upload this guy now. Let's upload a new program. And I think that it's going to execute some lighting or something. So let's paint this real time. Upload now. Let's compile right now. Let's see. And I'm thinking that's what it is. Okay. If that should be fine. Oh, yes. Yes. See that? Just send the program just for that. So these are little programs you can execute to test all these things out. All right. So this is one program by itself. When I do this, like the face no longer works because I'm overriding the system for only one purpose. Let's go back and let's see what I made a mistake. And look us here. Let me bring the program back. Where I have my program? My program. Okay. That's now. Okay, what is that program? Okay, here. Man, you got a million screens, you know, it gets a little crazy. All right, so I think, okay. So this was the part that you need to program the motor. So we did that. Then we put all that together. We build the arms. We build the little legs. We build the body. We put that, and then we connect the servos here. 1, 2, 3. The thing is, it doesn't tell you what one is that. I'm thinking, okay, this is 3. I think it's 2 is the middle one, and 2 is that one there. So, you know, we're looking that way. We see what happened. So don't know how that works. So we got that going. We put that, and we need to close. But I'm not going to close this because we want to make sure the wires looks nice and everything works. We plug that out. See, imagine if you did that step, then how you gonna do this one out? So sometimes maybe the steps needs to be fixed a little bit. We can choose 2 things. I think the face with the light LED is better. I think it's cooler than use the ultra. You can change it if you want it on. You're either or. All right. So one it will just goes back because it uses ultrasound. The other one you control yourself. All right. And then let's see here. Then connect the control on the computer type C, open the multifunction, and download it to the board. When the code is downloaded to Servos, then you can unplug the cable. Remember to remove the Bluetooth module every time you upload the code. Yes. That's why, guys, I didn't read the instructions there. It said, notes. Remember to remove the Bluetooth module every time you upload the code. So when I was uploading the code, it's actually stopping to get the thing going. And that was the only problem. But I could not figure out that time. And I thought it was my USB cable, but not even that. I just discovered the problem right now. So that's why sometimes it requires to read. Sometimes maybe because I'm actually doing this in the same time, thinking about all these screens and thinking about what's going on in the live stream, I maybe mix it up all those little details. But for you guys, you got to pay attention. We need to pay attention to those things. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to upload the final code. We're going to upload the full code to the end. We're going to close all this. All right. We're going to close all that. We don't need that. We're going to go back up and we're going to get the multifunction. We're going to Click here. And we got it. And this uploads includes everything. This includes all the modules all in one. So upload. It's going to take a little longer. And that's it. Did update. I guess the robot is ready for me. All right, so let's try it first. It seems it's off, so we can unplug this now. All right, let's turn this off. So we all fine. Let's put this guy there. And let's put this here. And let's see what happened. Let's turn it on. Okay, it reboots. Nothing shows in the front. It's all quiet. So let me try it. Let me try with the remote control. I think I have another one here. I have thousands of these things. So let's see if they're literally this thing's going to work. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
All right.
That's so cool.
Okay, stop. Wow. So they work with that. So I just press play. Let's see this. I think this is forward. Power. Wow. It worked. I guess we need to go back. Okay, stop it, stop. Woo! What's that? Stop it, stop, my friend. Man, they're powerful, these things. Okay, these servos are powerful like crazy. All right, so it's working. Yes, it's all working. Face should work. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know how really what this leg does. I gotta pay attention to that. So let's turn this off and let's make the root now. In reality, this works, and this is like a balance thing. This is actually moved this way. So let's make this looks nice first. So we're gonna move this up. We're gonna push this up over here, and we gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. So we got this here. So we can, since it's all hiding there, right? We can do something like this, right? Something that way, and we can push this way. So how are we gonna do that? Well, this thing comes with the.
That is an ant.
It's a cool ant. So it comes with this.
Mike, so hopefully I didn't kill everyone. Yes, a special needs ant. No, I think it looks perfect. I think it doesn't look special.
What's going on, Nando? What's happening? All right, so.
I don't think it looks a special needs. What do you think? No.
No, only the face has a special need. I gotta
Oh,
fix
really?
that.
Let me see a face. I didn't see a face. That's why.
Well, that has to unside it. The side of the board, the way the side of the board.
We love
wrong.
everyone. It doesn't matter if it is a special needs. We love them even more. Special.
All right, so make it look nice. So before you cover it up, I will say make it look nice, and then you put the cover.
Hey, Nando, what's up?
So we had that there. And we have this one here. So, right. We're going to put, right. In reality, we can, we still have more there. So we can do something like this. So in reality, there was nothing wrong. I think it was nothing wrong with my actually the COM port. I thought in the beginning you guys saw me, oh, where's my COM port? It was not. And then I went to the Arduino side and I showed what the code was doing, and they said that you need to make sure, okay, make sure you set the right board. Well, I knew that. Make sure the COM port is right. If not, reinstall drivers. I said, okay, maybe it's that. So when you restore the drivers, you know, remove all inputs and output boards that can cause a problem. I think about it. what I did, I just removed the Bluetooth device without even thinking. Just remove that to test it, and it was working. I said, "Oh yeah, it was actually my my COM port." Then when I read the instructions and we read that together, it seems like no. The problem was you're supposed to remove it when you upload the new code. Remember, guys, every Saturday we got more robots meeting now, right?
Oh yes, we had to get more robots, absolutely.
Yeah. Well, we have one. We're gonna do maybe we do
another one too. Yeah.
Maybe we do the metal one next week. What do you think of that?
What's up?
Maybe we do the metal ones next week.
What do you mean the middle ones?
The metal, not the plastic.
Oh, the metal ones. Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right. So see, looks much nicer now.
About Sonando said, why are we so late? Well, skateboard and cleaning the car. And he's like, well,
no, I started at 9 in the morning.
Oh, you were cleaning the car in the morning?
No, I start at 9 in the morning.
Oh, yes, we were live streaming in the morning, by the way, too.
Yeah.
Yes, we also live
to
like
almost to 9 a.m. to almost like 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Something like that. Yeah, I forgot that one.
Yeah. But then I stopped it because I could not figure out the problem. And then 1 o'clock I said, you know what? Well, let me, it's a nice day. Let me go to the pool. So I went to the pool. No, first went and cleaned the car. Then went to the pool. Right. And after the pool, went, I said, you know what? Then it rained a little bit. After it stopped raining, I said, well, skateboarding. Just going to go like 100 miles an hour with my skateboard. And then I said, you know what? Now I'm ready to live stream. And that's what we did. That's what we hear. Well, and then meanwhile, I figured out what the problem was. That's what I said when I ended. Guys, I'm going to come back when I figure out the problem. And I did. Actually, I figured out now. Because whatever I figured out was not the right thing either. All right, so let's make it look nice. So this cool thing, so at least you're going to have all the cables hanging around and have that going, right?
Hey, Doris, Robot Saturday, absolutely.
Robot Saturday, yeah, guys, no, yeah. We started early, guys, today, okay? They started at 9 in the morning. We did 9 to 1.
Yeah. I forgot that, yeah.
Yep. So now we...
Look at all those cables, they're nice.
And organized, right?
Yeah.
Okay. There.
The light? No, the light is fine.
When I look up, it's a little dark. I think it has to be with the clothes. If I wear black, everything looks much better because whatever it does, it doesn't reflect on the light with the camera, the green screen.
Oh, you look so serious.
Today? Now?
No, with the black t-shirt.
Oh.
I got you a bunch, but they're all the same. So
yeah. Nando has right. I'm a tip shop. Always wear the same thing.
So everybody's happy. Yep. Welcome to MEDIABOXENT. Yeah, we should probably try the alligator at the pool. Maybe you can bring it tomorrow.
Yeah, make everyone happy. So okay.
I feel like doing something with the 3D printer and put it on top of the ant.
Oh, put it there. Put a cat. How about we put a cat on it?
Our cat?
So, okay. And we don't need to reprogram this again. Okay, hold on. So this one goes in the back, right? Why? Oh, goes in the front. Yeah. Okay, goes in the front, I think.
Oh, really? Doris says we have severe weather this evening in Michigan. 3 confirmed tornadoes. Oh my gosh.
But remember the other day we got
here we had a tornado technically. What was it that we had? It was very high winds.
Well, now it happened.
I was looking at the car. I'm like, okay.
Remember that we got a mass in the phone. We got a mass in Moses said, do not go out.
It said like, don't go out until 10:30, like and things like that.
Yeah. And I said, wow. I don't know. I think because there's a lot of mounts over here in that section, man. I think maybe that's what it caused. Yeah, it was pretty scary, yeah. think I'm missing some screws here. Now here, now we can put it all together, nice and neat. That's why I said to you guys, when you put this way, we need to make sure everything is super fine. And I'm still missing 2 screws, so let me get my box from my previous super robots, and let me get this part and jump it into this box. This is a box of 1,000 screws, and because whatever left over, I just put it here. You never know when you need it. All right? Oh, you see another one here. See? I think maybe it was okay. And I'm not gonna use Ultra. I think the light is cooler. I should have one of those. I need one 3M. 3M screws here. Come on. A lot of parts here. It should be one of those things somewhere. I hope so. Yeah. I don't know why I was sure. Or I didn't pay attention, and I used the screws for something else. Okay, that's possible. But yeah. And now we can test it. Now it is full loaded. Oh man. Okay, now beautiful. So guys, this amp is available right now in our carousel. The only thing you guys need to get is the battery in 18650s. So let's look at this thing already done, so you guys can see. Oh, pretty heavy. So this is the end. This is the license going to change. We see what happened. That was the body here. We got the control right over here. We can see the Bluetooth controller. And right over here, remember to take this every time you program the Spire. We see the main board. I think the cables looks real nice and neat. They'll hide it over there. You see, that's the idea of how to do this. This one is the batteries, 1850 batteries. All right. So these are the batteries. It's Servos 3, and this one actually moves this way. Okay, so this is the idea of this one. I don't know how this one works, but this one works this way. And then yes, and this is just this way, right? And this way. Another thing we can do here, it has the face. I need to fix this. It's pointed down. That's because I guess the way this side of the thing, this side of the wrong way. So I can leave it this way. But if I get a little crazy, I can just take this out and unside of those pins. But I cannot do that right now. It takes something to do that. But that's fine. That's fine, really. You know, and we can use the ultrasound. If you use ultrasound, what happens is when you put your hand, this thing goes back, right? You take the hand, it's going to go forward. So when it finds an object, automatically will stop. But I think it looks cooler if we can send messages. All right, and I think it looks pretty nice. It took about maybe 4 hours, 4 to 5 hours, if you think, minus the mistakes I made. So I think you can do this easily in a good afternoon, taking time and actually, you know, read the documents and everything, and you can really make this working perfect. So there's a few ways we can activate these things. We can activate it running.
Rosalinda, happy spectacular Saturday, Menindario. What's up, Rosalinda?
We can use this. What I think we can use the phone. So let's turn it on. Yep. So we get it on. Let me get this a little far there. Okay, so we can have a little bit view there. Let's remove some of the screwdrivers here. I got a collection of screwdrivers. So this out. Oh, no longer. We need this. Okay. Let's put this out over there. And let's see how this works. So I'm gonna start the app. They have their own app, and let's see here. So technically, we did build almost everything from here. We built a 3-wheel. We built this, the 6 leg, the 2 legs. What else? We picked the dog, and we built the spire. And we built in the ant. We did build the 4-wheel car, and I think the one we have, the 4-wheel car Arduino. Because this one, yes, we had the Arduino car. And there's another with Raspberry Pi. So there's like 3 here that we didn't have built yet. So let's click here. Is sonar off. And let's see here. I think we need to connect. So it's on. It's on. I believe this is a Bluetooth connector. So I don't think this will connect Wi-Fi. So pair a new device. All right. And now we need to look at the instructions at the powder to use the cell phone to connect. Not showing there. I think that's working. So let's see that how this thing works. I'm gonna look at the test, and then meanwhile this thing is refreshing. The nice things here, it actually does give you a lot of instructions, guys, to understand how that works. So it has a lot of tutorials, what it does what, okay? So you can always read and check, okay? And until you see how it works, you know, how to make changes. They show you the program, they give you like changing colors. So to understand it, and it's a good thing to understand you how the ultrasound works. To give you a good every details to get that going. Okay. And metrics. And eventually it's gonna that. So we can change different characters. So this is like a different codes. Different codes you can upload into this, okay? The buzzer, how the buzzer works, give a picture inside the buzzer and all that. Voltage wise, a lot of electronics to learn. All right, so let me see. Let me speed it up a little bit. Okay. Pull down. Okay, I see. All right, tests. So forward. Tell you where the receiver is for that part. The codes. And we know that works. We can actually test it. And let's see. Reset initial power. Forward, back, left, right. Stop left. Okay. And right. But I want to use my okay. To avoid objects. I'm gonna use that. This is a big all right now. So we are here. Home. And connect the Bluetooth. So search for the two. Okay. MLT TV5. Okay. So that's what I need to know. Okay. So it's not showing that. We gotta make sure, I guess. Let me turn it off. Make sure this we did plug it right. All right, because I think that's what it shows. And then we should show that, and that should work. But I need to go back. Back. I'm sorry for the speed of this. And let's go and see if I made a mistake and I plugged this thing wrong. So let's move forward. A little more. Okay. Yes. Okay, Bluetooth, please pay attention to the orientation of the Bluetooth module. Yeah, that's fine. Because if you look this, I saw 5 volts here. Plus 5 volts. Yes. Ground after. Yep, because if I put it this, we're gonna burn this thing out. So 5 volts is here. So this needs to go here.
Thank you for following, Amazon customer.
All right, let's change screen. Let's boot it up. Okay. It's up, and let's see if not, can be my phone as well too. So let's see. Now if we'll be able to find the Bluetooth. Not in this phone. All right. Oof, my phone is super hot. All right.
I got you something to keep the phone cool. I hope it works.
I
got you something to keep your phone cool. I hope it works.
Yeah, no, the thing is, because I leave it there to look at
oh, I forgot.
Instagram, and then what we do is actually...
We had to do the tablet. We had to do the tablet. Oh, the ant looks excellent on Instagram. Perfect. It's like right there.
Oh, it looks good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me... Yep. Yeah, come on. Yeah, my phone now is like acting up because it's overheating. All right, unlock yourself out. Yeah. So let me see.
Cats, welcome to MEDIABOXENT. Yeah, stay safe and follow safety measures. Absolutely.
Always. All right.
Stay home and wash your hands. Right?
I'm trying to connect to this device right now, but I think I'm going to reset my phone. It's not, my phone is not, it's not acting up a little bit. Okay. Absolutely. That's okay. So, all right, it's not showing in this phone. It'll be fine, but we can make it work if I'm looking the instructions, and if I press play. Oh, no, not that. Okay, let me go test. Run. Oh, it's not starting now. That with me. Okay. Why are you not paying attention to me now, this little robot? All right. All right. It's funny. To activate something else. All right. So let's see. Reset. Power. Menu. Buzzer. Menu. I wonder if something went wrong with this. It's making this thing crash. Okay. Oh yeah, it has something with the module. Let's see. Talk to me. You know, we just made it work before. Turn it off. On. Okay. So let me see. Forward. Play.
Belly family, welcome to MEDIABOXENT. Thank you for following.
Let me get another remote control. Okay. I think maybe I'm covering that thing. Okay. That can be too. All right. So I send the signal. Yes. Not working. Oh. All right. Forward. Oh. What's up? What are you doing, baby? Gonna. Okay. Let's see. Forward. Okay. I guess I changed the speed. So forward. Let me see. All right. Let's reset it. All right. So one should turn the lights on. Not doing it. Maybe I have to reprogram this thing. It half working. Oh, okay. All right, I got one light. Oh, I get the face going. All right. So I see there. All right. So 5. Let's see. So maybe that's what it is. 4, 5. The Nagamon expression. Okay, 5. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Happy. Ha 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 ha. Okay. Go crazy. Yes, like me.
Crazy.
That's crazy.
Yes,
crazy the other way. Go. Ooh. Go. Yeah, okay. Oh, going.
Oh my god, this is not.
Okay. What do you want? Crazy?
This is the funnest, I think.
All right. So
What's
that's
the other
crazy.
one?
So that's crazy. Random dynamic static expression 6. Oh,
Okay, it's like worried, probably.
I think it does. I think it does it maybe automatically. I don't know. Oh, it's the static. All right. Whatever expression you want with that. Well, let's go the crazy one. All right. Yeah, crazy. Then you can set up custom one. Then module 4.
It looks like a bunch of legs running. That's mega crazy. Because it's faster.
Oh, okay. So this is the light.
Oh,
So 4.
I like the attributes.
All right. So module that RGB on and off 1, green 2, blue 1. Okay, so 1 off, on, 2, green, blue. Oh, okay. So it depends what colors you want to change. All right. I see that. And that's a multicolor version. Okay. Wow, that's light. All right. You like that one? That's super bright. That's super bright. All right, let's go. All right, let's go that. And I think that's cool. So we got that going. We got some of the light there. You get the crazy face there. I think it looks awesome there. I'm just reading the instructions, okay? I'm just looking at what objects we want to use. So forward is minus. Oh, back. And forward is plus. So plus is forward, minus back. All right, forward. Whoa, go back. Wow, this thing works fast.
Wow, that's really faster than I expected. And with those few legs, it's dancing. That's doing conga, really. Seriously, forget about it.
Oh man, this guy is. Okay, hold on, my friend. Oof, just fast. So plus and minus on the remote control. That works. I can really put in the floor. Cats. Muroots.
Muroots, yeah, but cats.
I know, I just did that on
You don't
purpose.
even know what cats is.
I know. Muroots, where are you? Come on, here's his bug. See what they do. Okay, Tron right.
Wow.
Turn left. No.
It
Go.
does in the code. No, what the
What?
flower?
All right. So turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Go back. Go back. Stop. Stop. Wow. I think it's pretty cool, guys. What are you guys thinking? Well, oof, I shut down my heat there. Funny, these things are. Oh, turns the light on. All right. What do you think about that? So it seems having a problem with the module. This I can control with the app. I wonder why that happened, right? Oh, this is a little bond here. Oh, there's a reset bond there. Okay. Let's see here what happened if I press this. Let me reset there. That was a reset bond. And maybe a little tiny bond there. And let's see that is what we need to show up over here. I know that I plugged this thing right. Let's see if it still works with that plugin, okay? So emotions 5. Okay. Oh yeah, it's okay. All right, it's working with that now. Let's go forward. No, back. Stop. Okay. So it's working. But I cannot get it show up in my on my phone. So let's see if I have to do something with the phone. Sometimes some phones are more temperamental than the other ones, you know what I mean? So plus with the Bluetooth, right? So let's see. Connection. Search for a new device. It shows an LED here. I wonder if that. Oh, maybe it's that LED module. What is a module LED? It has some. It's connected. I control some guys. Not supposed to be LED. There's LED. It's maybe LED. What is it called? All right. I'm going to look the instructions for that. No. It's supposed to be MLT. Yeah, it's supposed to MLT. So it's supposed to MSC. So let's see. Let's see what happened. Before uploading the code, please remove the Bluetooth module that we did that. And use some interface program to download the version. Okay. Then can now be used simultaneously. Okay, compile and upload the code to the control board. When the code is uploaded successful, replug the Bluetooth module and turn on the power. Open the phone and select the ant. Okay. Take the picture and select the. Yeah. Let me see. Let's see what happens. Go here. Sonar on, sonar off. Okay, yes. Oh, maybe that was okay. All right. Ooh, okay. That was the way you're supposed to do it. Not supposed to search it. You're supposed to search it here. So let's do something. Let's turn it off. And let's turn it on. All right. And let's see if it shows up over here. And see if I can activate things with the. Yes. Yep, that's working. Okay, so that's working. Well, for some reason, what is this LED thing? Let me connect to this. Connect it. Because some LED light I'm controlling. I don't know who's what. I'm driving somebody's home crazy with
Oh my
LED
gosh.
with LED lights. All right. Disconnect. Yes. Okay. All right. So there's so many here. Well, they don't have no names, so I don't know why it shows null. That's the MAC address, all those things. You know? That's somebody else's computer. I don't know how they can get all the way to here. All right. That Mimi. I don't know why. And this thing has a little button here. It's a reset button on the manual. I'm thinking maybe yep. I want to use that, but all right. I mean, it's still cool. I can show email to this guy thinking why it doesn't show up on that. But I was surprised. It's pretty cool. Using this. I mean, in reality, the difference you can allows me to change the colors in the top and send different have a different happy faces right over here, right? Oh, that is a pretty cool one. Oh, that's random. Okay. And then turn and get stop. Slow, fast, or high speed. But if I cannot find the Bluetooth device, it's not gonna work. And as soon as you have in it, sometimes that would be nice if they put some tiny LED lights so you know when this thing is power. And I think if we do these ways, we're definitely gonna.
Can you add that with like the light and a
No,
welder machine?
No, you can't. I don't think it will go this way. Nope. Reset itself. Let me turn it off. Yeah, I don't see this goes this way because I see +5 there, and if I turn this over here, I see the +5 there. This transmit, send and receive, and ground. Yeah. Yeah, make you wonder a little bit on this. So with the Bluetooth device, should automatically work. And the Bluetooth has power, automatically should show up on this thing. Yeah, this one you're not control with the Wi-Fi.
Diane, welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon. How are you?
Hi.
Live, Diane. We are building this awesome ant robot. We have been building it since 9 a.m. But we took a break here and there, so we're trying to do the finishing programming now, right? Welcome to MEDIABOXENT, Diane. This is MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live.
All right, so let's see what we have here. Again, we review the text. and see what we if I there's something wrong here. Why it doesn't show up? But anyway, by using the remote control, it's very fast. I was surprised the speed of these ants. Yeah, that's where it goes. Chips N. Yeah. Yep. Doesn't go the other way around. It goes exactly that way.
Why are you crying, Diane? Today is a wonderful day. Let's celebrate this great weather today. It's a nice weather.
Yes. Okay. Let's check this out. I'll show you this little toy now. All right. Okay. We will make it. We make this thing happy, crazy. Okay. Let's make it what we want. Okay. Let's put some light into it. Not crying. Oh, I like that one. Okay. Let's put a crazy face. We look that crazy face. We like that. Okay. Now we get ready. Let me see still if I can show up here. No. I'm supported. All right, so I'm gonna go and forward and back. So let me see forward. So I think it plus it forward. No, you did for that. Okay, go back, my friend. Go back. Forward. Turn. The other way. Back. All right, forward. And go the other way around. Oh. It's pretty cool, right?
It's really dancing, and actually it sounds like music, actually.
Huh?
It sounds
Goes
like
like,
music, See that? See?
But it's fast. This guy is fast. I have to tell you that. I have to tell you it's a fast guy.
Maybe because it's the lightest of them all.
Because it has a big engine there, a big motor, a big big guy there. So,
ooh, that's mega crazy looking at you.
All right, so, Oh no, keyboard, no.
It's killing your keyboard.
Yeah, the problem is the key. It means I kill live stream or kill something on the. You know what I mean? So I have to be careful with that. Man, this guy is it's nuts. All right, so definitely I love it. It works. It works real nice, guys. It works real nice. And if you want to see the details here, so we can change up with the different effects over here. All right, so we have the light over there. We can change it, and this is what I'm using. It depends what key. So if I press here, I can we can change different effects. That's with different colors. I turn it off, and like this one. All right, so the right over there. Or we can change the motions, right? We can have different motions. I'm out there. Oh, yeah, happy. Ooh. And a big guy. And then we can have animated, like a crazy one. A crying, happy one. All right. Crazy, doesn't know what to do. Yeah, because, okay. Oh, I like that one. Okay. What do we a question mark? I like that one. Let me see. Let's get another crazy one. Get that one. Yep. Good, right? So too bad I cannot get this activated. All right, I cannot get this little guy going, because if I have this little guy going, we can definitely control this with the phone. But eventually, I will figure it out. And remember that anyway, we are back next Saturday with more robots. So we figured out what can be the problem of this. Why I cannot see it in my Bluetooth. It's supposed to be Bluetooth. I don't think so. This is a Wi-Fi. No, and now it will tell me if it's a Wi-Fi device. You know what I mean? So, all right. So let's see. No, it cannot be Wi-Fi. Some other ones we do have Wi-Fi, but this one is not. Yeah, leave it there. Leave it there. All right. So now, new. Scan again so we can find it. This time I'm gonna play with the cats. Later on, I'll find the cats and I put it in and see what they do. Sometimes they don't care. They're just looking at it and they say, "What is that?" You know what I mean? No, it's not working. Well, pretty fast, right? What do you think, Mina? Pretty fast,
I think
Saga.
it goes really fast. Yeah.
Pretty fast, and pretty fast guy. So actually, was all fine. And that was only my mistake because I didn't read the right instructions. And how to put this together, right? And but the Bluetooth, I really don't know. It has a little reset switch here.
So the thing is, when you use the remote, it actually activates something that is somewhere else. Maybe it's even activating our own things. We have lights and many things with that type of remote.
Yeah, it activates that thing over there. It activates the what do you call that thing there. So that's what it is. Okay, right there. Yeah, it has a little switch here, but I don't know why not showing
So
up.
compared to the rest of the robots, this was quite easy to build, I think.
This one was quite easy to build. Yeah,
And
so
I also think about the fact that if you were to read the instructions maybe a little bit slowly, they will all be a little bit simpler.
what?
They will all be a little bit simpler if you were to read the instructions like before.
Yes, if you they read the
You
yes.
just have to have patience. That's the thing. And this is,
Well, you know what it is too.
this is the lightest of them all.
You know what it is too. I didn't read the instructions. Means what you want to do. Maybe read the instruction from the beginning when you start, like overview the text and the PDF. My case, I did it real time. But if you start this project, I will maybe go and read everything before you start. Understand what you're going to look into it, and that makes easy, and you will not get into those mistakes. But at the same time, you guys see in this live stream, and that's what it's the purpose is, right? You figured out if I'm going to build this, what you can encounter, the problems you can encounter, right? And this is like the third or fourth show because in reality, it starts 9 in the morning. Normally, it takes about 2 Saturdays to build one of these projects, but this time we're able to do it.
Yes, in one
Be able to do one, or
Yeah.
because we come back at night, so that's why it really be. If not, it will be 2 Saturdays to put this together. I think it is real nice and to build it like the weekend or any day. But with children, it's perfect because you build this right, and now it can be a cool
a really
school
cool
project.
thing to build. Yeah.
Yes, because you mix electronic programming, right? So it's a STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and math. And then the instruction give you the codes, and you can see the programming, and you can change things around. They actually show you how to change around. It's a good way to learn C language. And then the program will compile it for you. Even if you don't understand anything and you never program anything, you can still follow the step and be able to make changes. And that's the idea of this, right? I think that shows the age of 12 to start off, but I see it can be much younger as long as it is a parent supervision. And I think it's a real nice thing to put together because the enjoyment is, I mean, you saw me, well, I'm so happy, you know, it's working. And it's fast. It's a fast guy, you know, when you put it to it.
And I think that is maybe because of the type of legs and because it seems to be very light.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the, oh, that's cool. Because of the type of legs, maybe. Now the question is, you know, we can make it fight. We can go to
we have to be careful about that because you don't want them to be broken.
Oh yeah, I know. Well, but we can do ant versus versus
of all the rest.
No. I can bring the spider one.
Hello, Cameron. Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live, Cameron. Cameron, follow MEDIABOXENT. We're building this great robot. So we were building it in the morning and we kept going right now. And I think it's super cool and fun. And you can actually find it right here on the carousel, bottom left or right. It's the Freenove Robot Ant Kit. It works with what? Arduino, right?
Yeah. So this one's in Arduino. So see what happens Saturdays, we build different projects here. And today's project, right, is all robotic on Saturdays. It's been for 5 months. We have all kinds of different robots. And today we build this ant robot. Okay? It looks pretty cool. Now this thing is fast. We can be able to control Bluetooth. Bluetooth is not working now. We need to eventually figure out why it's not working. But right now, I'm going to go forward. What's it has? I like this one. It has the thing. You see the eyes there? So blinking. You see that?
Super cute.
So let's go. Let's go forward. Back. Forward. Left. Right. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. No. Go back. All right. Stop. What is this? Oh no. Oh. Oh, this one turns.
It's done. Don't tell me that it's not dancing the conga because that's what it is.
That's a cool conga there or something. All right. Yes. Avoid objects. I don't have that. Go forward. Adjust the speed. Oh, okay. We can make it go slow or fast. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I like this. The slow motion. Oh, I see how that works. This thing's puts. Oh, I see.
Balance? You mean that?
No, because how it's going to turn.
Mm-hmm.
So this moves forward and back, right? The legs. It's like this. But to turn, this one, it goes up and down. So to turn applies the force on this side. So this way. Mm-hmm. And then it make it turn. And then if I want to turn the other way, this thing moves the other side, right? So if we can maybe see this way working, let's see if we can notice that. I'm gonna make it. You see?
Wow, that's like music. Tan 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 tan.
Can we see how that works?
Yeah.
So this one, see? So it depends where it's gonna. So that unbalance out. Let me stop. So this, because it's a little higher, it will bring up. It brings this little thing up. So if I put it here and I put the rotated one, that's what you saw, up and down, up and down. That's exactly what it does. So let's go for it. Well, I think I have to play forward and then that. Hold on. So you see, it exactly hip. Now, up. You see, up. up again.
Wow.
But to make this thing cooler, make this thing even more cooler now. Ant. So who wins here? An ant or a spider?
Oh no, the spider. No, the spider is too big. The spider is definitely too big.
Ooh. Now who wins here? I think the spider wins. I think the spider is ant, right? Well, depends. If we have
I don't know.
1,000 ants will eat the
They
spider.
work very well in groups. Ants work very well.
Yes. So if you got the fire ants, that will actually take over this guy. You know what I mean? But this guy has something special. So it's going to go and challenge this guy out. Something this way. Oh. Go higher and go face to face. You see? Now, face to this. And he wants to...
Papi.
Yes.
Amorro.
Oh, so face to face, you see? This guy's not shaking out.
Ay, ay, ay.
This guy will not shake it now. All right, and it's going to go forward a little bit. It's going to go into the side. It's going to the side. Let me see. You see? And this guy's going to move forward a little bit. Tiny bit. Oh. A little more. Oh, this guy checking out. All right, hold on now. Oh. Now let's see if this guy's more power than the ant. Ah. Oh, okay. Could not move it. Question is, can the ant push the spire? Oh, okay, yes.
There is the answer.
The answer is that, right? Can you see that on Instagram too? I don't know, because I don't have my phone.
Yes.
You see both
Yes,
too?
Romeo, yes.
We see both here?
Yes, I do, absolutely.
All right. So, yeah. So this one is with this remote. So this is pretty cool. So this one we built about a month ago. We built this one. We built one the 4 legs. Now the 4 legs looks pretty creepy. That's more creepy than this. All right. There's a much, but this one you can really, we can really do some amazing things here. And let me go like this. Oh, it's looking at it, right? Oh yeah, I want to see what's going on there. Yep. So, all right. Oh, you want to look that close? You want to pick that close? So it's a lot of fun. Now this particular one doesn't control with this type of remote. With this one, we can control it also with the Wi-Fi as well too. But I think definitely with this type of remote control becomes much funner. Now we have another card we're going to be building, and it's going to use the same type of controller. This controller, we're going to be programming a controller like this to use a car. It's going to be fun because you can use that. And this one too, you can it's not connected to a local network or anything, right? Just to control this. So this one we built about over a month ago, I think. This one is a little more time consuming because you have all these tiny ones to put all that together, and more cables, a little more programming, right? It requires a little bit, but it's not hard. I mean, I think they are all like cool to build. I mean, I have, I don't know, by 10 or 15 of these little guys right now. And if you really looks really nice. So if I get the camera in a different direction, if I get my camera, if I get the camera, give the camera this way, and we get it here, right? It really it has another perspective how we see these things. All right, so let me show you that. It really kind of give you another perspective, like this guy. All right, let me bring this guy forward. Okay, let's move this guy a little bit. And really, if
Yeah, it looks super cool. I don't know why Instagram has this format. I think it should be like normal, like the rest.
yeah, you can really see.
No, that's scary. You know what? I even love the little silver dots. They're like what is salted? How you say salted? Soldado? How do you say that? You know the little white balls. I mean, that's what I see from this side. Oh no, they're screws. They're screws.
That's that. These
like
things.
like
That's a USB.
No, it will be like on the knees.
Oh, that's a screw. So yeah.
Tiny. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a screws.
You can put the Happy Kitty on top. You can put the Happy Kitty on top.
Yeah, a little different. This one, yeah. It's this one's pretty. I have to say, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool guy. This one. They're all different, right? They're all different in a sense. But yeah, so yeah, and then it resets itself, and then when I put it away, I just go like this and put it away. And I have a real huge one. This is cool in a sense because it's small. But I like this one. This one I was surprised on a full SP. I like this.
Faster than you expected, right?
Yeah, I got on Saddle and fix this. So I'm gonna do that. So I want that to look
Look
up.
at the how is it, the antlers?
Yeah, the antennas, you mean?
Yeah, the antenna. yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Particularly, yeah. We can change it and put the other one here, but I think I think that's perfectly fine. I'm gonna find out why why this little thing is not working. It's not a big deal. I can use the remote control. I mean, it's not big at all. So.
But it's also cool to use it with your devices. Jonas, welcome to MediaBoxEnt. Yeah, with your phone or with your tablet.
Oh,
That's
okay.
fine too.
Oh, what do you see there? Sorry.
Oh, Instagram.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, but I don't have my Instagram going here. We can change that. I had a bunch of this remote control. F5. It's laughing. It's going nuts. Now it's the other way around. And this one is okay. Yes. Okay. No. Oh, sorry. Stop.
It looks so funny, the repetition, burro.
Oh man, it's just that. I think it's.
He's attacking. He's attacking.
All right. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's rotating.
It looks really, really fun in camera. It looks really fun.
Now that's a slow speed, guys. That's slow speed, okay? And look at that. It's like,
I told you it's dancing. It's singing.
it reminds me of song or something.
Yeah, I know. Me too. Me too. Me too. Yeah.
Actually, I know the song. I know the song. Okay, that's pretty cool. Or what? All right, so let's go back and review a few things here. All right. So what you guys are seeing there is the robot. Let me bring it to my screen here so we can all. And so, guys, if you want to build this cool robot, it's available in our carousel. This is a little guy right here. All right. As you see. So this is the Freenove robot. This is Ant Kit compatible with Arduino. It means it has Arduino inside to program this out. It has the ultrasonic. Also has this in cool face. You have to decide what you're going to use. You can swap it. I like the light, but you can swap anytime and go back and go that. The voice, it has a voice obstacles. That's we put the ultrasound out here. It has the cool LED light area we can control, and with the remote control, as you see, comes with the remote control. And the nice thing too, it's an STEM project. So this is science, technology, engineering, and math. It comes with everything. You have to remember this thing does include the batteries, which include on the carousel the batteries. These are the 18650 batteries. So they're pretty big batteries. So if you guys never bought this type of batteries, I would do and mass recommend, and you buy that with a charger. Okay, they sell a pair of those with the chargers. Always handy. I have those chargers as well too. So when I got my first ones is I just bought my with the chargers. We get a bunch of those batteries. I got so many robots. Eventually, I gotta get some more because not all the robot. Now I need to get batteries for this robot because I take it from another robot. The battery. But they are a real cool batteries. Pretty powerful. They're 3.7 volts. You can build this easily in a few hours. I said in a half a day. In learning that, maybe you want to review the PDFs first. You can definitely do that. It's not hard at all. The only I fail in that is because I didn't review the PDF and I didn't read the small lines or the note. What it says notes. Make sure you remove the USB module before you program to the Arduino. Right, and for program, software this you can download it for the Mac, Linux, or the Windows. Right, there is a switch here, so when we finish, we turn it off from here. So make sure there's no power here. There is 2 buttons on the side right over there. There we have a power button and a reset button, so you can always reset that. Not reset the whole software, but reset and restarts again in case it don't respond. Or you can just turn it off, or turn the power from here and turn it on. It's pretty cute. We can change the motion, so we can have all different kind of faces you can put over here. We can also change the lighting. You can have the rainbow version. You have a blue, purple, whatever RGB color. So you can change the RGB tile. You can make it rotate. And whatever you want that. It has 3 servos. It's a pretty big one, so that is strong. That's why I was not able to stop it. And the way it works, right, pretty easy. This moves forward, back and forth, back and forth. And this one's up and down. And that's when you guys want to rotate. So that's what it is. You just go up and down, and then you rotate the unit. This unit today is $69.95, and you can get this for 20% off today. All right, I think is a great, good thing to put together. I think if I have to choose something, maybe it should be the first one to start off. If you want, I think it's pretty straightforward to put together.
Nomad, welcome to MediaBoxENT on Amazon Live. Of course, we have a wonderful answer to that. Thomas said, what are the practical uses of this robot? First, we learn science, technology, engineering, math, organizational skills,
Yes.
capability of troubleshooting, and capability of having patience while troubleshooting something. That's why we always recommend to use this type of project with children 0 to 6, because that's the time in which they absorb most of the information. It's so easy for them as well. So in the future, I think those skills are gonna be the best forever, right?
Yeah.
Science,
So
technology, engineering, math,
that's why they call it a
organizational-
STEM project. The idea behind the STEM project is that it learn a little bit of engineering, a little bit of putting together, and it becomes wonderful for children because you can say it's a toy, yeah, it's a thing walking, but I have to put it together. I got to put the screws. I have to read. I have to make sure what is plus, what is minus, what happened if you apply 5 volts, and the instruction will give you all that information, right? And I think it's a fun thing when you do that, when you put that. Sure, if you love electronic, maybe have more. It becomes more attractive for you because you like all these things. Like me, my background is in electronics, so I get more attracted to build these type of things. But for children, so grown up, anyone, all right, adult, it's nice you put this together, and it's nice and enjoyment to see. Okay, it took me 5 hours, and that's working, right?
And the pride that you feel after you done it all by yourself.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
And
There's
you tell everyone,
many
"Hey, look at
things.
what I
So, yeah,
did."
huh?
And you tell everyone, hey, look at what I did. I messed up, but I fixed
Yeah,
it.
I think it's in a school,
Yeah.
a real school project. This is one. They are more complicated than that. I just showed that before. We had something like this. This is a full aspire. This is like a little more, not so intense, but this one does require a little more patience. This one it will take you some time to
You're
put that
more than
together.
welcome, Nomad.
Yeah.
more
This
than
one is pretty cool. This one is one. This one requires a little more programming, more uploading, but eventually by reading the instructions, you will get it. I mean, the nice thing, it doesn't require you to know of the programming or nothing else. If you cannot put stuff together, work and know how the screwdriver works, that's it. And I think that's pretty much basic information, and then you're just going to be able to put this. So this is a great one. Well, today we have the ant, right? So these ants available today on the carousel, right? For those that are on YouTube, right? The link is right there. All right, so the link will be right in the YouTube video and to upload. Anyway, I had to do some changes there later on and to reflect exactly everything, but that's available now. So guys, that's very important for this. All right. And then what I did in the carousel too, I put some other stuff too. So guys, if you're looking to get the Raspberry Pi 4, right, you can grab the Raspberry Pi 4. The one we choose today is the Raspberry Pi 4. 4 gigabyte is in this is a startup Pro kit with 4 gigabytes of memory. So this one includes everything. This includes the memory, 32 gigabytes. All right, and includes a little USB dangle, so if you can plug in your computer to upload to create the image, and it has the VHS. It has the HDMI.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's man. So I don't know where I got that from. So it has a micro and HDMI cable, because that's connection. Use a micro HDMI to a full HDMI cable. It gets the fan, and also includes the heat sink for the chips, and even the on and off power. So it's a whole entire kit. And original price is $119.99. You can grab that today for $99.99. So you're saving about $20. That other kits available too. If you press it there, you will be able to see it. Right? We have another one for $89, and then another one for $120. It includes multi items. So you got the other one is 8 gigabytes. So it depends what you want to work on it. I think it's a great set on the Raspberry Pi. Then another cool project, we put it into it, and we're gonna go over some of the stuff that are maybe not related to this right now, but we put in the carousel as well too. So then what I put the Mega 2560 project. This is a complete ultimate starter kit, and this one is with the Arduino IDE. So this one, the nice thing of this one includes the breadboard, includes LEDs, includes a bunch of includes the keypad and some servos, motors, includes a little speakers, relays, batteries, and LED capacitors, and a bunch of stuff. This is like a whole entire kit. The idea for this kit is to learn, right, how the Arduino works. So they give you a bunch of elements. It's more a little more if you want to learn more electronics, and this is the starter kit, so it includes everything. So you can actually build a lot of things out of here, right? We can build different types of projects. You program that, and you can make the light blink. We can show you there. You see that has a sensor there, LED. That's cool too. You see you turn the servo over there. It's more how things works, right? So here, has a gyro over there. Okay, see, let's tell you how to make.
I wonder if this kit is in fact helpful to do maybe first and then jump into the robots. Because it seems like that from this knowledge, you should be able to have the tools that you need to troubleshoot the robot.
This one give you.
That's what I think.
This one I give you a little bit of everything. Yeah, that's more. That one is a little more not intense, but that's a little more more electronic. Or it's good because that's okay. How do I program an LED? How I can make things shine. So that one, it will show you how things work, or you understand what it does, right? How the polarity of the LED, how to make sure I put that LED light, or how I move a servo, right? From there, you can really make some projects out of that if you really want, right? But the idea is you're going to be able to make a few things out of that, right? It's a great project. So check it out. It's available in our carousel right here on Amazon Live, MEDIABOXENT. And this one is what they call it, the Mega 2660 project. It has an ultrasound. There is a lot of things. Times with the cable, breadboard. Breadboard is where you can change things around. The nice thing is nothing to solder. There's nothing to I see it has a bunch of resistors there, a bunch of pots there. There's a bunch of capacitors and all kind of. I see some LEDs there. So there's all these little projects. Should you find instructions, and you'll be able to build a lot of things. So let's go to introduction into that. The next thing is, if you figure out this, you can then later on bring the Raspberry Pi, and you can use all these things with the Raspberry Pi. Even more, you can combine a lot of heavy projects. You can combine the Arduino together with Raspberry Pi, but that's more like a more complicated or more advanced type of projects, right? And besides the robot, right? We didn't get that yet, but eventually we're going to be doing something. Maybe it does require build something big. I know that robots coming up in about a week or 2-3 weeks are getting more intense. Not more intense, but a little more interesting too. They are all interesting. They're all in a way they're all cool. Everything. They're all different styles, different way. And that's another thing I'm looking. There's like a hand, robotic hand. I'm going to see if we can get the robotic hand. So there's a lot of things we can do besides this, all right? So we can keep looking and try to get all these things for you guys. All right, so this one is $59.99. All right, it's definitely a cool project. And then you have a small one. Okay. Okay. We took the lead. It's hard for me to follow. So it's $34.99. And then you have another kit for $34.99 where that is a little smaller, right? So you can do that too. So it depends what you want, right? To in this case to work on this type of projects today. Remember, this is MEDIABOXENT. We are here tomorrow 9 o'clock. Yes, Saturday. Tomorrow I think we're gonna begin with the 4th of July stuff. Right, because the 4th of July is about a week from now. Mm-hmm. So I think the decoration things. I think we have the stuff for the vlog too. We want to bring tomorrow. We have it here, lighting and maybe barbecue stuff, and we get ready for the 4th of July. Because you get that, you can order that on Sunday or Monday, and you get all these things before the weekend, right? Because the 4th of July is Sunday, so follow Sunday, and we can get that together. And then we are here Monday to Friday, and meaning. And I'm here at 5:30 in the afternoon. instant time. And then meetings in the morning as well too. So a lot of fun. So yes, if you're looking for a special product, if you're looking for a promo code, we will try to bring as much deals as possible. So any deal we can find out, we try to bring into our show. All right. And then you get tutorials, how to, and a product demonstration and open box as well too. That's what we bring in this show. And today was a great tutorial, right? It's a few parts of the show, right? This is the end of that. What we built today. That was the cool robots, right, Menina?
Absolutely. Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live. Follow MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live.
But besides that, we close that chapter now, and let's move on to what we have after that. All right, because we have some real cool things here, and that can be even for 4th of July, like a good grill, Menina.
Oh yes. Oh,
yeah.
I love that one. You know,
you like that grill, huh?
Yes, I love this one and the red one also. I like it because, okay, come on. To begin with, it looks mega cool. Seriously, I think this is the coolest grill that I had ever seen, besides the one that you make with the bricks. Yes.
So what are we talking about, Menina?
This is a Barbecue Guys signature grill, 21 inches. This is easy to use ventilation system with marked settings for consistent, precise temperature control also. Latch secure lid provides a better seat, improving heat and smoke retention while cooking too. This is built to last with 304 grade stainless steel.
Yeah, and this one, yes, and this one is a 21-inch grill. The nice thing about this particular grill, and what allow you to do, if you like the brick oven, right, to get those good, Italian pizza style. There is the errand you can put into it and allow you to, slice the pizza to that. And then it's something you will have in a brick oven, but you need to get that, and it's great. So you will have an amazing pizza, like you will have those brick oven, those famous Italian places, right? And that's a nice thing here. Also has 2 levels, so it allow you to, have a different. Maybe you want like the meat below, and the top maybe you want like the vegetables. And the whole thing, by the way, is ceramic, right? I mean, we say ceramic, right? The whole thing is ceramic, and yes,
like
there are little legs, huh?
Like your car.
Yeah, so the legs is all stainless steel, 3 or 4, and it weighs like 250 pounds.
It weighs a lot.
Yeah, it weighs a lot. Well, I think when they deliver that to you and set a place, whatever you want to put it in, because this guy's heavy. Well, it's all ceramic. It's all like a brick oven.
Yeah, that's what
it's a brick oven and a wheels.
That's what, yeah, kind of. Yeah, that's what I highly suggest, because I always worry about the fact, even though it never happened to me, right? I worry about the fact that maybe you're like, okay, let's say I'm about to move. I'm going to get it, so I take it with me. And then it's going to be mega heavy, so you have to be super careful. It might break on the way, and you don't want that to happen. Or, for example, just leave it at the door. I move it by myself. No. I mean, if you're super strong, like Superman or something like that, yeah, But otherwise, I know they move it with a pallet, and they have the pallet and a special fork with it. So they will place it exactly where you want it.
Yeah. I'm sure it has a special delivery.
Especially, I think if you want to, I don't know if you can put something so heavy in a terrace.
Yeah.
If you can.
Yeah, I'm sure they have like a special delivery for
They do, yeah, they do. Like,
yeah.
I only saw it like for when we got the master chair, but besides for all those heavy things that they do, definitely have a special equipment. And also normally they come like 2-3 guys if necessary for that purpose. So yes, I would just get it exactly what I wanted to stay forever, and you will make the most amazing food with this, because you can put you can make pizza there, because you can also get the attachment, which is the stone. Yeah. So you will make the brick oven pizza, and maybe you can make wings that you put maybe in the level below. Maybe with higher you put a steak, maybe with higher then you put shrimp, which is like kind of the temperature difference that you need in between one of them or all of them. So I think this is really great. And I think you can also smoke with this one, but I'm not sure.
Oh yeah, it's a smoke. Yes, it's a smoke grill too. Yeah, it is. Yeah, that one it is. It's a smoke grill too, All right, so my next product today in the carousel too,
It's the vacuum that we all love. The reason for which this is gonna vacuum all your
this one, I'm
floors.
gonna bring in some robots here, Sam. Go ahead, keep
Yeah,
talking.
this is going to vacuum all the floors.
Yes.
And it's gonna suck everything by itself because everything is gonna go in the small container that is in the back. I always forget the name. Oh, look, I never seen that video.
Yeah, you see, there's some robots here. Go ahead. It's a robot.
Yeah, so what's going to happen? Absolutely. So what's gonna have to happen is gonna vacuum all the floors, and it's gonna clean not only your mess, but it's gonna clean after itself. So afterwards,
Yeah, exactly. I'll show you a little thing there, and that's what I was talking about right there. You know, one of the benefits on this type of robot, on the self-cleaning robots, I think one of the things, well, okay, normally I think the other ones you gotta clean at least maybe once a week, or depends if you got pets, maybe 2 times a week. I'm not sure, but this one, I think it was over like 30 days, right? Something over 90 days. I don't remember right now.
60 or 90, and
60.
also yes,
Yeah.
we just have to watch a little bit based on the fact that you might have like a bunch of dogs or cats. That would
Right,
be a
it's
little bit
based
more
into
often.
that. I think that's based into a normal
Into the
operation,
average,
right?
yeah.
But if you have
One or two
like
pets.
maybe few cats, right? It's going to be more hair, so they're going to pick us faster. But
Yeah.
what is nice that you can easily go vacation for 2 weeks. Let the robot, even if it's nobody at home, right? There's still be some dust around.
That's
So
happened,
yeah,
yes,
that happened
100%.
automatically. So automatic, this will clean for you, and that will empty, will charge yourself. Well, you can leave the program,
itself,
yeah,
yeah.
come back a month later, and this thing will still clean it for you,
That'll be amazing.
right? So that's a great idea about these type of robots
Yeah.
today. Yes,
I was remember the day that we came for vacation was like a month or two. It was we used to take long vacations, and we had so much cat hair, man. Like in every single corner, under every like piece of furniture, like between the legs of the furniture too.
yeah. So with this, also the nice thing is, if you have also you can control this with the app, right? And I can show you here. And the other one is what was the name of the other robot? That one,
Brava?
Brava. Yeah. So that one, what happened at that point? What you can do now, we have the Brava. That will map.
Yeah.
That will map your floor or clean your floor. So what happened is when you want to vacuum first and then you clean it, right? Then you map your floor. So that other guy will vacuum, right? Because it can be carpet in the section in the kitchen, right? There's no carpet. So after it goes and has the kitchen and vacuum the floor in the kitchen, sends a signal to the other guy, right? Along
the
there's
Brava.
water to the Brava, and it goes and cleans that too. So you can have a combination of those things to clean the house. I think it's a wonderful idea to keep your house clean, and you can spend time doing something else and
Like building robots.
building robot. Exactly,
That's
you
a
can
good
now
one.
spending time, building robot. Then instead go and
Absolutely. Or maybe changing the decoration in your house. How about that?
that
That'd be cool.
gets
Yeah.
ready for the 4th of July and let the vacuums do that for you.
Oh,
Clean
yes.
everything. You
And
can do
making
that.
amazing food and cupcakes in red, white, and blue.
Exactly. That's the idea. And the price today is available on our carousel for $6.49 here on
And
MEDIABOXENT
this is
and Amazon Live.
that's the iRobot Roomba i4. And then we also have the other device, which happens to be called like Illumination Machine or something like that.
Yeah.
right?
So the other one, yes. Multifunctional. Yeah. What I like you to do this one is like something like this. You want to print a t-shirt. Now, what is nice too, like if for home, if you want to run a business, right? We see that, let's say down the shore, right by the beach, right? You got a stores and you want to go and print something like this, right? You want to print something into your t-shirt. This one is a 5-in-1 because allow you to do the mugs, allow you to do hats, allow you to do plates, and the clothes. So it's a whole machine. It's a whole time machine that will do that for you. And the price is a real nice price thinking about what you can do. Now, the nice thing is you can set this is good for maybe start your own business. Maybe you just something part-time you want to do it at home. Maybe you can print stuff for the
Maybe like
family. And at the
printing
same
business,
time, you
yeah.
can set send something Facebook or something instead a little, and then you can print clothes or print stuff for people, right? And you see normally they have this business or 3 or 4 of these things right by the beach. You got all these stores, and you go and you can print whatever you want on it, right? And I think it's a great idea. What do you get on for these type of devices? And you can get a nice return if you want to set some type of business for this. That's what I'm talking about. It's pretty simple. Now here the mark. You can do this one here. You can do the whole thing. That's why it's called a 5.1, because it allows you to do plates and allow you to do the hats. Always the hat there, and then also allow you to do the. And I said the clothes will be, or t-shirt will be the most one people will use all the time, and maybe the hat. And cups are pretty cool, right? So that's what we have today. This wonderful product today is a $299.99. Okay.
And now we had these great speakers from the bed.
Yes, and these wonderful speakers come up. Everybody know these speakers, Sonos, Menina. This is a powerful speaker. So this is a 2-room. These are Wi-Fi speakers. These are the Sonos. It has a super sound. This is like one like when people say Bose, when people say JBL, Sonos. It's like all the big boys here. Now the difference with this ones, they are controlled through the Wi-Fi. And this one is for 2-room setup. You get 2 rooms, and then you have the 4 setup room. So 2 rooms, one is $888, and $888. Then you can get the 4 set for $1,195. So this is like a Wi-Fi speaker, smart, Sonos. If you want to just blow the room out.
Thomas, what is the robot? Thomas wants to see the robot.
Oh, yeah. What is the robot, Thomas? I have it here. Let me show you that.
The ant one.
Let me show the ant one. Yes. So this is the robot. We did finally build it today.
We built that today. We, see?
Yeah, well, you build it too. You build it too. You build it too, you know. But yes, we'll switch back to the robot anyway. Yeah, the show is a robot, but yeah. So right over here, and let me turn it on so you can see working. All right, so let me move this up. So I just turn it on. Turn it on the power first. Then I'm going to press here the power. Already reboot. All right, and let me get this thing going first. Let me put some lights. Oh, face. Give me some cool face here. Give me some cool face. Crazy one. I like this one. Yep, I like that one. Let me get some cool lights here. All right, so we got some cool light going there. And then we're going to move forward. We make it move around. And we do a lot of cool things here. So let's go forward and let's do forward. But let me slow down first. I'm going to slow down first. All right, let's go back. Go back, my friend. And let's run around. Run. We can go the other way. All right, we can go this way. Let me stop. Let me this guy go back. And stop it there. Stop it. It breaks my keyboard. Now that's a slow speed. Okay, let me go fast. Oof. Oh.
Oh my god, that's super cool. Come on. I'm so
That was fast,
happy
alright.
with this one. Wow. I'm so happy with this. This is a fun one.
I'm gonna bring our side later on and see what the cats will do.
Oh no, they might be scared. Well, Satoshi will not be scared.
Satoshi is blind, so
Yes,
you don't.
yes, we built that one from scratch.
Yes.
Thomas, you missed
Thomas,
it. But it was
yeah.
9 a.m. anyway. Yes, it was all flat with all the cables all around, and we built it this morning.
Yeah, we built it. We start at 9 o'clock, and then we
Yeah.
finish at 1, and then we come back. I don't know what time. What time we started this afternoon? Since
7?
7 o'clock we started.
Yeah. So long ago, actually. Yep.
And yeah, and then we put this guy together. Yeah, we're not the only robot. I mean, you see other robots here? Yeah, we build a lot of robots here. This is a robot show. Ooh, take it easy there. Don't do nothing to me. Do not buy me. Do not buy me. Oh, yeah? Okay.
Oh, that's so fast also.
Oh, this one's fast.
Yeah. Click.
You can hear this thing, huh? Nice. I build RC. Okay, cars. It's for my hobby. That's cool. We're gonna be building.
Oh, nice. That's awesome, Thomas. That's really awesome.
We're gonna be building a car. And maybe next week. You have another ones here that I have built
You have the
too.
box. You can show him that, so he can see how the ant was actually at the beginning.
Yeah,
So
and I have
it's a
another one
pizza.
here. Yeah, so I have a whole package of different robots. We have built, right? But yeah, so we have all kind of, and we build about in a dozen of different things there. Spiders, I think we have. Let me see, 4. We have a real big one. We have the Exapod. Then we have the big Exapod. We have the one with 4 legs. Then we have another with 6 legs. So at least we have 3 more spiders. When I talk about one, is like humongous.
What about the one with 4 legs? Was it the spider? What was that? That was very scary when it walks. The one
It's the
with 4
same
legs.
thing. Same thing with the 4 legs only.
Yeah.
But that works because it's only 4 legs. So they have to stand one leg up and the other one up and down. So it's much slower, but more creepy. And it's because the way it walks, the other one, it needs to go forward 1, and then it has to move all the way the other leg. So it's only 4, and it has to stand the leg and kind of crawl down. Because it's only, and then it's always one leg forward. Like this one don't need to be forward, they go back. The one always, they have to be one forward, one like this, because it goes like this. Sorry, so that's why it's a little different. Yes, that one is a pretty creepy guy.
Garland, welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live. Thank you for following.
Yeah, that's a pretty creepy guy. But I think these are real nice guys. And this one has no LED. This one has LED. Depends how the thing works. This is pretty cool. This one. Little guy here. You can change that. Just gotta fix this part. Bother me. I will fix that, but that's okay. Not crazy on it. Maybe just to make it look pretty nice. Just fix the macro. And yeah. This one, by the way, requires a battery 1650s, 18650s, and right below. Pretty interesting, right, Menina?
Yeah. How fast our moves, even though it's so lightweight, and I think that's a smaller base on the other ones that we saw. Yeah.
It moves super fast, right? Compared to, it's pretty heavy too. It's heavy. I don't know. Let me see. Maybe this is more heavy.
Yeah. The spider, obviously, come on, you can see it. It has
It's
some
heavy,
cables
but
and
I don't think it
legs.
has to do nothing with the weight. True, it's just the design and
Yes,
the big
might
servos.
be.
And the big servos are much bigger. These guys are heavy guys. These guys are very healthy, heavy guys. Right? Those are tiny ones. So it's different. This one has more power. This one are much harder to stop it. Right, that's why. More strong, guys. That's more gears. Then these are like tiny ones. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, I couldn't understand how this worked, but now I understand. This leg on the metal. It's just for rotating. Yeah. I think it's a cool project. I mean, definitely super fast guy. I was surprised how nice it is. Yes. Definitely we're going to be making a cool
robots.
video, huh?
More cool robots and video. Oh yes, you have
Yeah.
another video maybe, yeah, for the ant. How about that?
Yeah, we're going to do that. Yes, well, we have more robots coming up, guys. We have more robots coming up every
Wow,
week.
Nando, you're having that. He's having IPA.
Oh, IPA. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's time for me for the IPA too. Saturday.
That's
Nice.
okay. Oh my gosh.
It's Saturday, so. Yeah, man. I don't know.
Welcome to MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live.
Okay. Yeah. That's what
Okay,
it
I'm
is.
gonna get the IPA going, maybe. How about that?
Yes. IPA. All right, so let's go to now. Maybe we'll come back later on.
You're
I don't
racing-
know.
Yes, I think yes.
Huh?
I'm racing Sunday. Don't be hungover. No. That's very bad. Very bad. Yes, and refreshing. Absolutely. Yes.
Yeah. It's well, right now it's pretty hot here. I guess I don't know if they see it right now. I can feel and it's humid.
Me too. Yeah. I will get fermented grapes. Maybe. Yeah, fermented grapes are really good. Fermentation is really good, healthy for you.
Huh?
Fermentation is really good, healthy for you.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Happy Saturday. Yeah, guys. Happy Saturday. It's super.
Today is Saturday.
It's a
June
super
26th.
Saturday. Enjoy. You're right. It's a we'll come back tomorrow. We see tomorrow if we come back early or at night. We gotta see that.
Yeah, we had to. Yeah, I know. That's the thing. Yeah.
But if not tomorrow, we start anyway at 9 in the morning. Wake up early tomorrow. It will be nice to wake up early on a Sunday. Tomorrow's gonna be super hot, by the way. Well,
Make
right
sure
now
they
it's
see
80,
Super on. Make sure they see super mega. Oh no.
and Monday even hotter.
Really? We're gonna melt.
I was looking. Yeah, well, look the news. That's super. Some
I didn't
section
look.
is super like a super heat wave is coming.
Oh really?
Yeah. That's one state that broke the record in the history. 100. No,
Thomas,
Now,
it's going
100
to be 90 in Jersey. Really? Thomas, you're giving me too much. That's like 40, right?
yeah. So no, not 40. It's will be and one state was 110, and broke the record on that. But it's supposed to be like a super heat wave coming up. So yeah. So close to 90. Yeah, and on Monday even hotter.
I'm ready. I made
So,
a lot
pool,
of ice.
Pool day tomorrow. A little bit in the afternoon. I'll go in. Yeah, I had the pool today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. You hit it? Why are you so mean to the pool? You keep hitting the pool.
I had the pool. Yeah.
I'm gonna put ice in my pool, mug.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
All right, guys. All right, so
Okay.
guys. Yes, that's fine. Okay. So, guys,
I know that's okay. You have to rest.
all right, and I'll see you guys later on. If not tomorrow,
No, you know it's going to be tomorrow.
yeah, tomorrow at 9.
Thank you,
Tomorrow at
Nana.
9 o'clock, we should be here, and we had some fun. All right, so good night, everyone. I think it was a great show. We finally make the things work.
Got the
And I still
robot
one little
going.
thing here, my Bluetooth, but that's okay. A lot. I think with the control works pretty.
Thomas,
Pretty
thank you
nice.
for following. Good night, Thomas. Thank you.
So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring this to the cats right now. That's my next step.
That's our fun Saturday night. I'm serious, okay? We're gonna go outside. We're gonna bring this with the cats and the IPA.
Yeah. Yeah, we got cool robot
We can
Thomas.
cuddle together.
Next, we are here every day anyway. But next Saturday we're gonna build more robots. We got almost for every Saturday some different robots. I think either we build a car or I'm looking to switch a little bit and we're gonna build maybe a tank or something that way. Okay.
Yeah.
So we see what we're gonna be building up next week. Okay, Menina.
Absolutely. Right here at MEDIABOXENT on Amazon Live. Okay, guys, we're gonna see you maybe later or tomorrow. Bye for now.
Bye.
The sun, no sun.
No sun. There's no sun in this one.
Okay, let me get if the face of the ant. I want to see.
Oh, okay.
That'd
No
be cool
problem.
to close like that.
Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Oh no. What is
Yes,
it?
yes, like that. Yeah, looking up. Yeah. Bye for now. The answer. Yay! And crawl. Yay! Okay. Bye. Done.